Okay guys, ever built your entire homepage but completely forgot about the footer, only to realize later it looks bare and unfinished? Yeah, this section fixes that in minutes. Today we're adding this multi-column footer section to your store, giving you a clean, organized footer with your logo, links, and social icons all in one place. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click the first link. This takes you to the official store. Search for Section Kit in the search bar. This app makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Install it. It takes just a few seconds like any other app. Go to Explore Sections and search Footer. Click More Info and purchase it. All details are listed below. I've already purchased this one, so let's close this and go to My Sections instead. There's the section. Click Customize, choose your theme, and it installs successfully. Open it in Theme Customizer, give it a second to load. Click Add Section, search for Footer, and choose that section. Now let's scroll down. First, let's check if this matches the demo store we were shown. Perfect. The columns, the layout, almost everything is identical. Now let's customize it together. Just click on it and its settings open up on the right side, like this. First, let's add a logo, but honestly, this one isn't in the right size. If you have your exact logo, feel free to add it. Right below that, there's a logo text option too. If you don't want to add an actual logo, you can just add text instead, like I'm doing right now, Section Kit, and you can even add a trademark symbol. Let's change that TM to YT. Right below that, there's logo text size and image width. You can edit both if you'd like. Below that, there's a typography option, letting you change the font style to whatever you prefer. Let's replace it with this one. There's also a link text option here, letting you switch the column text between italic and normal style. Now it's time for the icons, like this chat button icon that can also have a link attached to it. I don't have a real link ready, so I'll just add a product link here to show you how it works, because the icon only shows up once a link is added, just like this. You'll do the same thing for each of your social media accounts one by one, and they'll show up here. After that, you can even change the color of these icons. Last but not least, you can add your copyright text here too. Just click on it and customize it. Once everything's done, hit save and check it out in view mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.